Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss hydraulics and pneumatics, lecture number 5 of 5th unit, pneumatics component, control valve and circuits. So see here, pneumatic component, control valve and circuit. In this lecture, we have covered here to understand construction and working principle of various pneumatic valves. Outcome. At the end of the session, students come to know construction and working principle of various pneumatic valves. So, question 1, explain construction and working shutter valve. Which schematic diagram used in pneumatics? Also explain electrical equipment circuit, truth table, Boolean expressions, applications for shutter valve, logic gate. So see shutter valve. This is picture of shutter valve. Important features of shutter valve. See here P1 and P2 and A. This is 3 port P1, P2, A. Ball sliding in a wall body. This ball here sliding in a body to close the probe means here ball sliding on a body to close the probe, also known as double check valve, and it is primarily used in pneumatic device and it is rarely found in hydraulic circuit. Shutter valve are allowed to alternate flow source to be connected to one branch circuit. So they have two inlet ports, P1 and P2, and one outlet port. Outlet A receives the flow either from P1 and P2, whichever inlet at higher pressure. So it is treated as a logic or valve. Will receive the power either from P1 or P2. Very simple. So shutter valve pressure P1 is greater than P2, so that the ball slides to the right and allows to P1 to send the flow to outlet area A, like that. Means here pressure P1 greater than P2, then ball slide to right hand side due to this pressure, and this flow is going to P1 to A, like that. Similarly, in case of P2 greater than P1, ball going to left side and water oil flows from P2 to A, like that. Symbolically, it is represented as like that, P1, P2, A. Shutter valve or gate working. A shutter valve allow to alternate flow source to be connected in a one branch circuit. The valve has two inlets, P1 and P2, and one outlet A. Outlet A receive flow from at inlet that is higher pressure. Figure 1.5 shows the operation of shutter valve. If the pressure at P1 is greater than the pressure than that of P2, the ball side to right and allow P1 to send the flow to outlet A. If the pressure at P2 is greater than P1, the ball side to the left and P2 supply flow to outlet A. One application for shutter valve is to have primary pump inlet P1 and secondary pump inlet P2 connected to the system outlet A. The secondary pump acts as a backup, supplying flow to the system if the primary pump loses pressure. A shutter valve is called an OR valve because receiving a pressure input signal from either P1 or P2 causes a pressure output signal to be sent to A. This figure shows the 3x2 direction control valve. Here shutter valve means here pressure X increase, then Y is closed, and pressure Y increase, the ball going to X side and flow Y to A. This is single acting cylinder. So shutter valve as a OR gate or electric circuit or truth table, we can see here like that. Boolean expressions A plus B, front doorbell switch, back doorbell switch equal to sorry, doorbell on off, input yes, 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 no, yes, no, yes, yes, no, no, no. Like that application of this. So pneumatic two pressure valve. Pneumatic two pressure valve question explains construction and working of twin pressure, dual pressure valve with schematic diagram used in pneumatics. Also explain electrical equivalent circuit, truth table, Boolean expressions, applications of twin pressure, dual pressure valve and gate logic gate. Twin pressure, dual pressure valve and gate. See here, inlet 1, inlet 2, outlet and valve body, reciprocating spool. The twin pressure, dual pressure valve working. This valve is pneumatic and valve. It is also derived non-return valve. A two pressure valve required to pressurize input to allow an output from itself. The cross-sectional view of two pressure valve in two positions are given in figure. As shown in figure, this valve has two input, 1 and 2, and one output. If the compressed air is applied to either one or input 2, the spool move to block the flow and no signal appears at output. If signal are applied to both the input 1 and 2, the compressed air flow through the valve and signal appears at output. Applications. These valve types are commonly associated but not limited to safety circuit. For example, two push button operation system whereby an operator is required to use both hands to activate two pushes button. This would ensure the operator hands are out of reach of any hazardous operations. Twin pressure, dual pressure valve. Explains construction and working of time delay valve and schematic diagram used in pneumatics. Explain the application with circuit. Time delay valve, it is used whenever delay operations is required. Time delay valve, valve body, air chamber, adjusting screw, opening, non-return valve, valve spool, and spring. Time delay valve type, here on off positions, here this is our time. On off position, this is our time. See, this is circuit. Circuit of time delay valve. See here, in the circuit, the time delay valve holds the cylinder in the extended position for the predetermined time set on the delay valve. See here, extend the circuit. For stopping the circuit at some position, we can use this time delay valve. Here, delay valve use, see, use of time delay valve DA cylinder like that. 4x2 DCV valve, manual operated 3x2 DCV valve, time delay valve, pneumatic quick exhaust valve. Explain construction and working of quick exhaust valve. Schematic diagram used in pneumatics. Explain the application with circuit. Quick exhaust valve. This valve help mainly the DC valve to quickly exhaust. They are used for quick operation of actuators. Air enter from main line to cylinder. Air quickly exhausts to atmosphere. See here, air enters from main line to cylinder. Quick exhaust valve. Here, main line to exhaust. They are valve help mainly the DC valve to quickly exhaust. They are used for quick operation of actuators. A fast exhaust valve is used to vent cylinder quickly. It is primarily used with spring return pneumatic cylinder. The device shown in figure consists of movable discs with allow port A to be connected to port pressure port P. Large exhaust port are act like has the same symbol as a shutter valve. A typical application is shown in figure. Fast exhausted valves are usually mounted local to direct on cylinder and speed up response by avoiding any delay from return pipe and control valve. They also permit simpler control valve to be used. A circuit using quick exhaust valve. This is circuit for quick exhaust valve. We can see here at our actuator. This is quick exhaust valve. We can use here. See, quick exhaust valve. This valve help mainly DC valve to quickly exhaust. They are used in quick operation of actuators. We can see here quick exhaust valve. All air enter from main line to cylinder. In this here, air quickly exhaust to atmosphere. A fast exhaust valve is used to vent cylinder quickly. It is primarily used with spring return pneumatic cylinder. The device shown in figure consists of movable discs which allow port A to be connected to port P or large exhaust port R. It act like and has the same symbol as shutter valve. A typical application is shown in figure. For exhaust valve are usually mounted local to directly onto cylinder and speed up response by avoiding any delay from return pipe and control valve. They also permit simpler control valve to be used. In this figure, we can see constructions of this exhaust valve for flexible. This is flexible ring. From P to A, and here in second figure, A to R. A circuit using for quick exhaust valve. See here our basic DCV actuator outlet position for outlet position quick exhaust valve. Press here. In this way, we have studied the shutter valve, function of shutter valve. The shutter valve allow to alternate flow source like means P1 and P2 port, one port A, outlet A receive from inlet that higher pressure. Figure 1 point show the operation of shutter valve. If the pressure at P1 is greater than P2, the balls right to right of the P1 to send flow outlet A. If pressure P2 greater than at P1, the balls right to left, P2 supply flow to outlet area. See here, simple. in this diagram, pressure A increase, then ball go to B side and A to C flow. In second diagram, we can see a pressure at B side increase, then ball go to A, close the A and flow going to B to C. After twin pressures, pressure valve, in this valve, in pneumatic AND gate and valve, it is also derived a non-return valve, a two pressure valve required to pressurize input to allow an outlet from itself. The cross-sectional view of two pressure valve in two positions are given as shown in figure. This valve has two input, 1 and 2, one output. If the compressed air is applied to either 1 or 2, the spool move to block the flow and no signal appear at the outlet. If signal are applied to both the input and 1, 2, compressed air flow through the valve and signal appears at outlet. See here, two pressure valve. In this case, this is closed. Two pressure valve means here, this is open positions. Red arrows equal to air flow directions. This is air flow directions. So twin pressure valve and electric circuit and truth table, we can see here Boolean expression A into B on off. Person sensor, alarm sensor, burglar alarm, like that. This is twin pressure valve application circuit. This is twin pressure valve used. Time delay valve also we have studied. After that, quick exhaust valve also studied. So in this way, we have covered all four valves. Any doubt in these valves, contact me on WhatsApp or call me. Then we have stopped here. Any doubt, any queries, so ask me.